Hello everyone, I am Akash Singh, final year student of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow, accredited by A++ and AAC. I would like to introduce presentation which on a seminar topic Modern Air Pollution Control Technologies under the guidance of Jitendra Pratap Singh sir. Let's get started. Here the content which includes introduction, facts, effect of air pollution on health, major air pollutants, modern control of air pollution, prevention, case study, conclusion, reference. And the and the very first thing is introduction of modern air pollution control technologies. As per the definition of World Health Organization, air pollution is situation in which the outdoor atmosphere contains material in concentration which are harmful to people or their environment. Air pollution can also be defined as anything that contaminate the air of extent that next day of air dangerous breed causing disease that to human damage. The other living organisms such as food crop and the natural built environment. And the next is facts. In the 1930s and 1940s, a factory smoke tech issuing thin plume of smoke was considered a sign of prosperity. Between 1945 and 1969, as awareness of air pollution problem gradually increased. 1963 and 1967, the federal government began to observe and coordinate local and state of air pollution control effect. In the late 1980s, three programs arose in result of increasing first air pollution, second global air pollution, third ozone deflection acid rain. And the next is source of air pollution. Source of air pollution are two types, natural source and man-made source. Natural source is smoke from the combustion of various inflammable objects, volcanic eruption, etc. Along with the emission of polluted gas also make it is the list of natural source of pollution. And second is man-made source, burning of fossil fuel, agricultural activities, mining operation. And the next is effect of air pollution on health. First, particulate matter 2.5, eye disease, digestive disorder, respiratory disorder, circulatory disorder, cancer, Algray. And the next is major air pollutants. Carbon oxides, and second is nitrogen oxides, third is sulfur oxides, and fourth volatile organic compound, and fifth suspended particulate matter, and sixth is radioactive substance, and seventh heat. And the next is modern control of air pollution. Basically, modern air control pollution are three types. Standard of air are two types, laboratory equipment, ambient air monitoring system, and second is portable gas analyzer, and third is smoke control action plan. And the next is smoke control action plan, short form SCAPE. Aim to curb down the number of diesel driven vehicles emitting black smoke are two main components. First, enforcement roadside check and convention of smoking vehicle by police environment. The second is sensitization champion TV and radio. And the next is laboratory equipment. Different techniques are used for controlling air pollution caused by gaseous pollutants, particulate pollutants. And the next is method of controlling gaseous pollutants. The air pollutant caused by gaseous pollutant like hydrocarbon, sulfur dioxides, ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc. It can be controlled by using three different methods. First, combustion, absorption, adsorption. First, combustion. This technique is applied when the pollutants are organic, gaseous, or vapors. The organic air pollution are subjected to flame combustion or catalytic combustion. When they are converted to less harmful product carbon dioxide and harmless product water. Now see the figure or process here. And second, absorption. In this method, the pollutant air containing gaseous pollutant is passed through a scrubber containing a suitable liquid absorbent. The liquid absorbs the harmful gaseous pollutant present in air. And third is adsorption. In this method, the pollutant air is passed through porous solid absorbs kept in suitable container. The gaseous pollutants are absorbed at the surface of porous solid and clean air passes through. Now see the figure. And next is method of controlling particulate emission. The air pollution caused by particulate matter like dust, soot, ash, etc. can be controlled by either destroying contaminants or removing them from exhaust stream before it is emitted into the entire atmosphere. There are 5 types method of controlling particulate emission. First, fabric filters. Second, wet scrubber. Third, electrostatic precipitator. Fourth, settling chamber. Fifth, cyclones. Now see first type, fabric filters. The particulate matter is passed through a porous medium made of woven or fillet fabrics. Particulate present in the pollutant air are filtered and gets collected in the fabric filter. While the gases are discarded, the proof of controlling air pollution by using fabric filters is called vac filter. And second is particulate scrubber. Scrubber is from a pollution control technology. Wet scrubber. They are used to trap SO2 and NH3 and metal fume by passing the fumes through water. And third is electrostatic precipitator. An electrostatic precipitator or electrostatic air cleaner is particular collection device that remove particles from flowing gas such as air using the force of an induced electrostatic charge. Electrostatic precipitators are highly efficient filtration device that minimally impact the gas throughout the device and can easily remove fine particles such as dust, smoke from air stream. Aerosol particles get precipitated on the electrodes. And fourth is settling chamber. Settling chamber use the force of gravity to remove solid particles. The gas stream enters a chamber where the velocity of gas is reduced. Large particles drop out the gas and are recollected in hoppers. Because settling chambers are effective in removing only larger particles, they are used in conjunction with a more efficient control device. Now see the figure in process settling chamber. And fifth is cyclones. The general principle of inertia separation is that particulate-laden gas is forced to change direction. A gas change direction, the inertia of the particulate causes them continue in the original direction and be separated from the gas stream. The wall of cyclone narrow toward the bottom unit, allowing the particle to be let collected in hopper. The cleaner air leaves the cyclone throughout the top of chamber, flowing upward. A spiral or vortex formed within down-moving spiral. Cyclones are efficient in removing large particles but are not efficient with smaller particles. For this reason, they are used with other particulate other device. And the next is prevention. Planting trees, reduce vehicle exhaust, using less pollutant fuels, using mass transport. Industrial use will be sited away from residential area. Use of tall cinemas reduce concentration of air pollutants at ground level. And the next is case study. A case study of air quality control in Beijing and the surrounding area during the 2015 World Championship and Parade. Air pollutants, nitrogen dioxides, sulfur dioxides, aerosols were estimated in Beijing and its surrounding during the 2015 World Championship and Parade. The tropospheric vertical column densities of nitrogen dioxides and sulfur dioxides in 2015 were significantly reduced in Beijing and its surroundings. A southward pressure gradient force and weak northerly and northeasterly wind blocked the transport of pollution from southern and western parts of industrial area. Cold air masses pushed southward weakly. These conditions were beneficial to removal of air pollutants in Beijing. This work was supported by European Community 7th Framework Program. And the next is conclusion. Conclusion on modern air pollution control technologies. Now India has become fifth polluted country in the world. Several attempts are being made worldwide on personal, industry and governmental level to curb the intensity at which air pollution is rising and region balance as for the professional of foundation gases are concerned. This is direct attempt at slashing global warming. We are see the series of innovation and experiment aiming to alternate and unconventional optional reduced pollutants. Air pollution is one large mirror of man foils and challenge we need overcome to see a tomorrow. And the next is reference on modern air pollution control technologies. Thank you.